Welcome to an enchanting tour of 8 timeless-style living room interior designs, perfectly tailored for the elegant homes of Los Angeles. These living spaces are a harmonious blend of classic and modern aesthetics, creating an atmosphere of refined comfort that transcends time. Step into a world where traditional and contemporary elements coexist in perfect harmony. Each design is a testament to the art of balance, where neutral color palettes serve as the canvas for an exquisite interplay of textures, materials, and detailing. It's a visual journey that seamlessly bridges vintage charm with the conveniences of modern living. An exceptional feature gracing these living rooms is the presence of beautifully crafted fireplaces. These hearths not only provide warmth but also serve as focal points, infusing the space with an undeniable sense of coziness and elegance. Imagine cozy evenings spent gathered around the flickering flames, creating cherished memories with loved ones. With every intricately chosen furnishing and tastefully adorned corner. These interiors exude a timeless appeal that resonates with homeowners who appreciate the finer things in life. Don't forget to hit the like button, share your thoughts, and subscribe for more inspiration that elevates your home and lifestyle.